Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you another new bike of the week. We have a 2023 custom painted by us here at American Eagle. Red line red and white. I call it Diver Down like Van Halen. Some people call it Starsky and Hutch. It has the factory 4712s. We got the Get-A-Grip collection on here. The front, we did chrome front end. So you're going to have chrome cowbells, chrome lowers, the chrome axle nut. It's powered by the 114 M8. Pretty nice bike. It does, in the back, I believe, yes, we have the Tab Performance exhaust. It's going to have some good rumble on it. It's got the RDRS traction control, rain mode, hold feature, boom infotainment GTS. If you want to come in and take this bike or any bike that we have out for a test ride, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom!